I've had this UTRAI jump starter for quite a while now, and I have to say, very useful piece of kit. I've just see from the tape measure, it's about 9 inches long, but this includes the very handy handle. It comes in a protective box, which is obviously quite useful as well. Relatively portable, I would say. Not sort you can't shove it in your pocket, obviously, but it's very portable. It arrived 3/4 charged, which was great because the first thing I had to do was pump up the tyres on my bike, and that's the compressor on the back there. And that worked really well. You've got your screen here and you've got your settings and adjustments all there. It comes with these different types of fittings for different valves. It comes with the cigarette lighter type attachment, and this lead is for charging and guess other things as well, but it's your charger one. What it doesn't come with this type of plug. So you need to have one of the type of plugs of your own. It's just basic USB, so it's not that difficult. I'm sure most people will have one. Quite simply to charge it in, really easy. Once you connected it up, and there we go.
As you can see here, tire on my mower's flat. I'm gonna sit here and use this UTRAI compressor. It's gonna get a little loud. Cut off just like that, as it should. And now the tire has air in it.
Good evening. So I come on to talk to my single ladies, or just really in general those ones that are with those newer cars and things like that. I have an Amazon find and I am so excited about it, and I wanted to share with you all today. All right. So recently I found myself having to get a jump, receive a jump on a car that I'm borrowing. But you find that these newer cars are hard to jump to be of an assistance because of the computers and things like that. So Amazon we go, right? And I found something really great. I found this 4-in-1 jumper, starter, air compressor, power supply, LED light thingy of a jobber. This is what it looked like inside. It comes this cute little case, and it has little jumper cords and things like that. When I tell you this thing works, y'all, it works. Get it?
Prodotto compatto, leggero, è una pompa portatile, una luce di emergenza e uno starter, oltre ad essere anche una batteria portatile per qualsiasi utilizzo. C'è l'uscita USB, quindi è comodissimo, accensione facilissima, è veramente un ottimo prodotto. È anche molto carino la confezione per portarlo.
Well, it's good for a couple tires.